All right, Dad, what did we do today on the monster car?
We finished up the electronic fan upgrade on the monster car. So I showed you guys a video on how I made the shroud. I finished bolting it all in. Now it's got 4 bolts, M10s, flat washers. Tucked in the wiring real nice. Runs up along here into the frame. Tucked up into here. The old body harness used to be here kind of bouncing around and had a bunch of extra stuff on there. So these cars from the 60s and 70s used to have a bunch of regulators, breakers, relays tucked up all around this area around behind the headlights. I don't need any of that anymore with the LS conversion. So I cleaned up all that wiring, and now we just have one relay for the fan, 30 amp fused relay, and that's turned on by the ECU. I updated the file HP tuners, turn on at 190 and turn off at 180, and it worked out really well. So we cleaned up all the wiring, tucked it up nice. It's all shrink wrapped and loomed, and the fan works. Pulls in a lot of air. It's Flexolite Low Pro, I think it's called, and 3000 CFM. So all done with this. Works good.
What inspired you to do this?
The next phase, you better show them.
The Chinese hoo-ha!